We're located in Plant City, Florida. It's just outside of Tampa. I guess I've been infatuated with cars from a young age. 13, I started wrenching on my own car. My first car was a '69 Mustang. I could say every summer I probably owned a new car, some kind of project, something. This expanded, I became a mechanic. I went on to become an industrial mechanic, and then my wife just said one day, why don't you start your own business? So 13 years ago, we broke off and I started making my own business. So behind me is a 1970 Mustang. Customer approached me, he wanted me to build this Mustang. He had seen other cars that I had built, very custom oriented. So when I contacted him, I said, look, I used to own one and I've got a bunch of ideas. Let me build this kind of, you know, in my own thing, a Restomod cruiser with a lot of horsepower. So he gave me the go-ahead, and we have Eleanor. It was probably a backyard restoration, not on a professional scale, but somebody did it. So it had new paint, it had, you know, nice interior, nice running motor. I took that car completely apart. We got it all the way down, started sandblasting it, and there was a lot of rust. We have a Kaase Boss Nine. It has Borla stacked injection. It has 860 horsepower. All the metal work is handmade, 16 gauge steel. We use Bailey tools, Mittler Brother tools. We still have plans of putting the side marker or the vents right here in the side of the thing of the headlight bucket. But this portion here will have another opening. It's got custom-made fender flares because we wanted to put wider wheels. We did Boyd custom wheels on it, hot rods by Boyd. I like the gray inset in the wheels, so that's going to be a color influence on the car. I'm going to use that gray on the back panel and the hood and the grille, but the car is actually going to be the Aurencia Borealis, or what you see on that motor, that Lamborghini orange. You can see the quarter panels have not only been extended 1 inch here, but then they have fender flares. I raised the wheel well up, I think it was 3 inches, so that it gives it a chopped look overall. On the back, we've got a '68 Shelby tail panel going in the back. It'll have the Cobra style Le Mans gas cap, and you can see the diffusers here. Well, we've got the interior to build, so we're gonna do a '68 style dash, and then Restomod AC, boom mat insulation. It's gonna be a really nice car. Most of my builds are probably in the 50s, 60s. If you brought me a 30, it's a different build than if you brought me a 60s or even a 70s car. It's gonna take on its own personality, and I'm gonna build it for you, you know, to sit in it and, you know, enjoy that car.